Modern enterprises sit on mountains of multimodal data, everything from factory floor telemetry and live video feeds to PDFs and ERP logs. Yet, despite capturing every possible data point, traditional data warehouses and rigid rules-based automation struggle to turn that information into timely physical action. The traditional analytics pipeline is a strict linear path: ingest, prepare, model, insight, action. But look at the preparation and modeling stages. Engineers spend weeks structuring data. Scientists spend months tuning models. Every manual handoff introduces massive human friction. This chart illustrates the cost of that friction. In the manufacturing sector, unplanned downtime costs average 8% of total revenue. When an assembly line stops, supply chains freeze, and the financial bleeding is instantaneous. Rigid rules-based analytics fail here because they are inherently reactive. They send an alert when a physical threshold is crossed. They tell you a machine broke after it happens, rather than fixing it before. We can collect enterprise data by the petabyte in milliseconds, but processing it to the point of action remains a slow, manual process. When the gap between a data point and a physical repair is measured in weeks, the linear pipeline becomes the primary obstacle to efficiency. To bridge this gap, the technology is moving from passive storage to autonomous platforms. By natively integrating Google Cloud's BigQuery with Gemini, the data warehouse becomes an active environment where computation and AI co-process data as it arrives. This environment is built for AI agents. Traditional predictive AI spots a pattern and waits for a human to interpret it. An AI agent is different. It is a specialized digital worker that executes multi-step actions to achieve a specific, assigned goal. This graphic shows how this works underneath. At the base, BigQuery decouples storage and compute, processing massive datasets at scale. It funnels diverse data types, operational telemetry, text, and images, upward into the Gemini Enterprise Agent platform, placing all enterprise data into a single, secure foundation. Without this unified architecture, agents would get trapped navigating isolated silos of IT and operational data. They require a single source of truth to act on. We are now assigning those specific human friction points identified earlier to specialized digital workers that handle individual segments of the lifecycle. First, the data engineering agent handles the foundational work. It continuously prepares data, spots formatting errors, and builds the necessary pipelines without manual coding. Next is the data science agent. A developer provides a simple natural language prompt, and the agent generates a complete execution plan. It autonomously handles data loading, manages complex feature engineering, and model training in one environment. For the end user, this interface shows the conversational analytics agent. Notice how a plain language question bypasses the need for a pre-built dashboard, generating a complex data chart and a grounded answer directly from the source. By automating these specific handoffs, the system removes the manual delays that traditionally stall analytics projects for weeks at a time. Let's apply this to the factory floor. Through the manufacturing data engine, a predictive maintenance agent monitors real-time sensor streams and detects a microanomaly in a turbine's vibration. This split-screen logic tree maps the agent's immediate response. The data spike on the left triggers an automated decision tree on the right. Simultaneously, the agent cross-references thousands of pages of service manuals using Document AI, logs an official work order, and orders a replacement part directly through the ERP system. The entire resolution protocol executes in seconds. The replacement part is routed and the technician dispatched before the turbine ever actually fails, all without a human writing a single line of code. Passive analytics relies on humans to interpret history. In an agent-driven system, data is an active participant that identifies and resolves physical infrastructure issues before they escalate. This eliminates the technical barrier to entry. Business users no longer need advanced degrees in data science to extract value from deep enterprise data. Instead, the human role shifts towards orchestration. Using centralized applications like Google Antigravity, workers deploy, steer, and manage teams of these specialized digital workers. A single orchestrator can dispatch multiple agents simultaneously to execute complete cross-functional workflows, from managing supply chain logistics to launching regional marketing campaigns. The value of data is no longer found in a static dashboard you stare at hoping for an insight. It is an autonomous digital ecosystem, working alongside humans to continuously run both the physical and digital world.